Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a unique website using Canva. Canva is a graphics design platform that allows users to create visual content for print and digital use, and it is user friendly. That is, it can be used by people with little or no design experience. There are a lot of options for us to choose from here. You can create an e-commerce website with Canva. You can create a small business website. You can create a blog website, health and fitness website. So for today's tutorial, we'll be creating an e-commerce website. So click on e-commerce website. There are a lot of templates to choose from. You can decide to create your own template from scratch, but for the tutorial we'll be editing a template, so we're gonna be choosing from one of the templates available here. A lot of nice templates for you to choose from. After choosing your template, the next thing is to start editing the templates. The templates we have chosen has 6 pages. It has 6 pages. It has the home page, the contact us page, the collection page, and other pages. You can add pages to your template yourself. As you can see, you just need to click on that blank space to add pages to your template. So right now we're gonna be editing this particular template, and I'll walk us through a step-by-step process of how to edit the write-up, the content, how to change the pictures, how to change the background pictures, how to change the colors of the pages, and style the pages as you like. So the first thing is to click and edit the write-up on the page, on the home page. So I'll change that to treasure collection, just for example. There is a button on the home page that says shop new arrival. We can link the button to our collection page on the website. So in order to link the button, you click on the link button at the bottom. So you can search where we want to link the button to. So we're linking this particular button to one of our pages, which is the collection page. As you can see, that is our collections page. So you click on collections and you click done. It says link added. So if you click on this particular button, it will take us to the collection page. So in order to remove the underline, click on format and click on underline in order to remove the underline, so as to make our button unique. We can also add an effect to the button. We can add a shadow to the button. So you go to effects, just scroll down to effects, click on effects. After clicking on effects, just click on style and add shadow. Add shadow to our button so as to make it unique. Another thing we can do on this home page is to change our background picture. So you click on replace, click on replace at the bottom right left corner. After clicking on replace, go to photos, click on photos. There are millions of photos available to choose from. So from the photos here, we can just search for clothing. Just search for clothing. So I'm searching for clothing right now. So there are a lot of clothing pictures available for us to choose from. So we choose one from here to replace our initial background picture. So as you can see, we have a new background picture on our home page. So another thing is to, let's go to the second page and let's try to edit this page as well. So we can edit the write-up on this page. So let me try to change a little thing on the write-up. For example, Let me just change the name to treasure collection. And again, we can also change the background color of this particular page. We can change the background color. We can change the picture to whatever we like. So let's try to change the background color. So you click on color at the bottom here. As you can see, just click on the color. You can change the color to whatever color you wish. Let's change it to, I think, white is okay. Let me change it back to white. White is okay. And again, we can change the picture on this particular page. You can change the picture. So let's try to change the picture. Click on the picture and click replace. Then go to your photos as well. Go to your photos and you can choose one of the pictures we have here. So let's try to choose this. You can see we've replaced our picture on the page. Now we have a page that is ours. So the third page on our collection page, this is our collection page. I don't think there's much to do here. Let's just leave this as it is. You can also change the pictures here, just like I did on earlier on other pages. You can change the write-up as well. You can change the background picture and edit it as we like. So on this other page, we'll be changing the background picture so as to make it unique. Okay, let's just change the color, the background color. You can also decide to add a background picture just like I did earlier on other pages. So you can change the background picture as well. So on the contact us page, you just change the write-up, you change the address. You can link our social media to this page. So let me change the name of the page to Treasure Collection, and I'll also change the address on the page to my address. I'll change the address on the page to my address, and we can also change the picture here as well. We can change the background color here as well. It's very easy and doesn't require any design knowledge, any code to build your website. Doesn't require any code for us to build our website. So I think this page is cool. Let's change the email address on the page. I'll change the email address to mine. Okay, let's change the email address on the page. So I think this is all the pages we have on our website. This is all the pages we have on our website. There's several other things you can do to your website. If there's anything you want to add to the website, you just click on the positive sign at the bottom to add whatever you wish to add to your website. So you click on the upload button at the top right corner to publish your website. After clicking on the button, you click on website. Click on website. So a preview of our website will be shown to us before we publish. So you just choose with navigation, click on free domain. You can also publish to an existing domain if you have one. Click continue, which will take you to the next page where you will choose your domain URL. So on this page we edit it and we put treasure collection. Okay, so your browser tab preview, you can also change it to treasure collection, and we can change the icon as well. So let me change the write-up on our browser tab preview to treasure collection, and we can also change the icon. So you can choose an icon from your mobile device. If you're using a laptop, you can choose from your computer. So Let me choose one of the pictures here. So let's wait for the picture to upload to our Canva. So after we're done uploading our picture, you click on the picture, you click on it and you click the done. Click done, so the icon will be added to a website. So you can also add your website description here. So you need to write a nice description for your website. So let me just write something like treasure collection is a unique clothing company that provides the best clothes and fabrics, something like that, for example. So after writing your description, the next thing is to click on the publish button. After the description, you click on the publish button. Once you click on the publish button, then boom, our website will be hosted live on Canva with a free domain, a free Canva domain. So it says Canva is preparing your design. So let's wait for it to prepare our design. As you can see, it says your website is now live. So this is the URL to our website. We can just copy this URL. So let's click on view website. This is our website. You can see the home page, and other pages we have on our website. So this is a simple method of creating a website with Canva on your mobile device without any coding knowledge. So this is a simple way and easy way to build a website on your own without spending any money and without any coding knowledge. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel in order to view more of my videos. Thank you. Bye.